Hi, welcome. This is going to be the shortest video, how to build an ISO. One of the videos needs to be rebuilt, and it's the one about ArcoLinuxB, build your own ISO, ISO minimal, LXQt. That's the one that's really bad, and we need to change this video over here with another one, a better one, with better sound. And it's always the same procedure. Once you've seen one video, it's always the same. Control C, get your scripts from GitHub. Then you go to your ArcoLinuxB folder maybe. These guys, I've just tried it again. It's my third try to make this video. Open a terminal here, Control Shift V. You git clone everything, and then you have a folder. With that folder you can make an ISO. Now I urge you to maybe investigate what this contains. This one is the one that's the full ISO, and that's the one that's minimal. What we consider full, for example, is having Inkscape and having GIMP and Atom, etc, etc. All the difference are quite clear. Everything that's blue is different from left to right. And an hashtag means Atom is not going to be on the minimal ISO. Chromium is not going to be on the minimal ISO. And the point is, of this ArcoLinuxB, you build the ISO you like. That's it. Change the file, put anything you want in here. There are also games in there, Steam, etc. If you want to have Steam on your ISO, just 2 hashtags away. Delete the hashtags and it's there, it's on your system. Then you choose whether you want to have a Linux kernel or a LTS kernel. So this is the new kernel. What's the new kernel? Control T. This is the new kernel. This is the one we're using. That's the normal kernel. If you have hardware problems, you use the Linux LTS kernel. That could help you. Not sure, but it could help you. So the long-term support. Either run this one or that one. So normally I say try out first number 30, everything works fine, just keep it. If it's not working fine, then you know maybe you help with LTS, so you run the script for LTS. So all you need to do now is just walk away basically and wait. The ISO will be built, and that's the one you're going to test out maybe on VirtualBox or on real metal. Let's wait for the ISO to pop out. Alright, we've just finished. It says that we have a 1.5 gigabyte ISO, and it's called ArcoLinuxB, LXQt, minimal, and the version of October. So yes, the ISO is there, and we see at our conky here that we had a lot of effort here, 100% CPU time for all 8 cores, and we get here an ArcoLinuxB out, and your LXQt minimal is here for you to investigate or to change again the packages and see if, for instance, Steam was installed, if, for instance, Xonotic was installed, and so on. You can add anything to the packages as long as it's on the Arch Linux repos, on the ArcoLinux repos. Anything else coming from AOR needs to be installed later on. There is, however, a solution, ArcoLinuxISO.com, which is more technical, so that you build AOR packages yourself and make a personal repo, add it to the pacman.conf and stuff like that, but that's maybe a little bit too complicated. So an easy thing, like we have the ArcoLinux Nemesis script, which is going to install more stuff like Dropbox, in my case, InSync, Spotify, stuff I use, Telegram, Discord, stuff like that. It's not on the ISO, it's installed later on. You can always run a script like that. Okay, have fun building well, any of our 15 desktops times 2, because we have a full and a minimal, and there's also a few bare ones. Then we have the Linux and the Linux LTS, so we have 60 ISOs for you to build and investigate. All right, enjoy.